We started by examining the properties of glass. What makes glass unique, pristine, desirable? We dialed in the precise combination of steps needed to create individual sheets of glass. Each sheet takes 40 steps from start to finish to meet the highest standard for strength, clarity, and beauty. We designed a special process to fit multi-layered film underneath the glass. This film, just 1 micrometer thick, is imbued with stunning textures and finished with 6 layers of anti-glare coating. We then complete the process by applying a gentle curve to the edge of the glass, which not only increases durability, but also creates a 3-dimensional effect that accentuates our signature horizon line. A singular achievement in fit, form, and polish. Crafted without compromise.
Introducing the OnePlus 6. The latest phone in our quest for the perfect balance of technology, speed, and design. At OnePlus, we take a holistic approach to design, striving for all elements to work in harmony. We are driven by our pursuit of speed and performance with the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor. Combined with our refined operating system, we are pushing for a smooth user experience. The dual camera offers portrait mode, which uses depth of field to make your images look professional the moment they are taken. For physical design, we believe the future of phone materials should be dynamic, changing, personal. Taking inspiration from natural materials such as porcelain and jade, we developed new types of multi-layered 3D glass with glossy and smooth matte finishes that visually transform depending on the light around you. But in the end, the key ingredient of every new phone we make is you. That's why we test our prototypes with users, listening, learning, and refining. We are passionate about pushing our boundaries in order to give you the speed you need.